What's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Okay, today I have fertilized my seedlings. And I took a little bit of my plant food and I diluted it as much as possible. I mean, literally as much as possible, you guys. So today is their first day ever having fertilizer. So either I'm going to help them or I'm going to hurt them. I hope, not hurt, but you guys, yes. So I used my Expert Gardener all-purpose water-soluble plant food mix, and I took very little, you guys. I mean, literally, like, when I say a tap, I mean a tap. Like, not even that much. Not even that much. I took like this much. Okay? I took like that much and filled up the fertilizer water bottle. Fill that up, and I squirted it on the plants, you guys. So today is day one of fertilization. So we're gonna see if it works. If it doesn't work, we still have time. Never give up. Whatever you do, just keep growing. And the plants have been sprayed. Okay, so we're gonna see if it works. Another one of our experiments, you guys, and I have the fan blowing on our peppers and tomatoes. Give them some exercise. Help them be good and strong. All right, you guys. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. This is our update, fertilization, day one. We're going to keep you updated, you guys.